Now, first make a package. Java application declares that these files belong to the package name. Next, class node. Class node define a class called node which represents a single element of a binary. Next, int stores the value inside the node. Node left, right. Each node can point to the two other nodes, left child, right, and right child. Next, make node intv. Construct node intv is called when you create a new node. Data v assign the value of v to the node data. Left equals right equals null. At the first node has no children. Start a new class in order. Public static void print in order defines a method of print in order that prints the in order traversal of a binary tree. If node equals null, if the node doesn't exist, tree is empty. Stop execution. Return to next the print in order node left. Next print the system out print the value of the current node. Plus next print the right subtree. I mean print. After printing the current node, so the order is left, root, right. Public static void main string. The main method of program starts here. Node root equals new node creates a root node with the value 1. Next, root left equals new node 2. And root right equals new node 3. Creates the two child nodes of root. Next, add children to the left node. Root left and root left right. Root left new node 4 and root left right new node 5. Next, the add a right child 6 to the node 3. And last, the print in order root calls the print order method starting at the root 1. It will print values in order sequence 425136. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye.